everybody. It's Misty with a Unique Treasure Reborns. Sorry, I moved my camera. I'm trying to get caught up with a couple. As you see, I have rooting stuff all over the place, so please ignore that. This is a quick video just showing you another kit in case you're interested in having me do a kit for you. But I got this from Trueborns and I love Trueborns. I don't know if y'all have had mystery boxes or order product or anything, but Bobby owns Trueborns and runs it. And from what I understand, if I understood that correctly, and let me tell you, she does a great job. Shipping is fast, communication is clear, concise, and fast. I'm so impressed with the customer service. So I just have to really give a strong shout out to Bobby at Trueborns. So she has a sale page, and I have been going crazy on her sale page. And like, I need another kit, right? But when these beautiful kits go on sale, I do buy things that are not on sale, but I can't help it. Like, I'm talking Chase. I'm talking and by Bonnie Brown. I mean Tink. There's just oh my gosh, I've been going crazy. All right, so this one, let's see what this one is. Let me looks kind of big. Well, I I got it slowly, I got lights and things around me. Guess what, guys? I'm so happy I got this. Giovanni's gonna be a cowboy. And let me tell you, I was at Cracker Barrel and they had on a huge sale these cowboy outfits. So I picked one up. They're very classy looking. And I just yesterday bought little cowboy baby shoes. And oh my gosh, now I got a diaper today and a boy baby. So I'm super, oh, wait a minute. This is not a boy. You could tell I don't pay attention, right? Um, I love Giovanni though. I make Giovanni a boy if I wanted to, but I don't think I want to make him a boy. Oh my gosh. Well, I just told you guys who it is. I was so excited about it. Um, wow, Giovanni's a girl. You guys probably all knew that. I'm new to all this and I didn't know Giovanni was a girl's name. Maybe I knew that before, but I don't know it now. But anyways, you guys can see her COA, right? She's pretty. And I got number 59 out of 500. How amazing is that? Well, Giovanni is not going to be a cowboy, but I do have cowgirl stuff to go along with the cowboy stuff. So I was wanting to like do twinsies or something, but we'll just see what happens. But I'm super stoked about that diaper. And I do want to take a quick peek at the actual kit itself. Look at that nice handwriting. I wish my print was nice and clear and neat like that. And I'm going to um, try to open this paper gently in case you guys can hear it. Wow, look how huge these legs are. I've been seeing a lot of little babies recently, and this head's a little heavy and it comes with the body, I believe. So that's nice. She didn't have to do that. Wow, that is a bigger baby, at least 20 inches. But I want to see the face up close. I usually study I don't really pay attention to the text so much, I guess. Oh, look at that face. That is a very unique face. That is a very unique face. I think that face could go either way, for sure, but it's kind of big boned and the head is at a slope going down, and usually the girls' heads don't. Well, I don't, yeah, we can't tell on this one. The girls' heads don't slope going down. I just found this out. Somebody that's been around for a very long time was talking to somebody else in the feed, and I, of course, read it. I learn a lot from the feeds. But here it is, Giovanni by AV. I'm horrible about that. I don't know yet. Alyssa Vang. That's a really pretty COA, and it's got the Trueborn stamp on it. How nice is that? So maybe this is exclusive? I have no idea. I don't know what I'm talking about. But in case you guys can see that, which I doubt, and look at the ears and the details and wow, that light is so bright. Hang on, let me try to I paint under really bright light. Here we go. That just made things nicer. And I root. This is my rooting station right here. Look how nice. This nice cheeks, pointed chin, nice full lips, nice nose. I mean, this baby's just got nice features. Yes, and a nice noggin. But look at these legs. Oh my goodness. I'm looking around to see if I have any other legs to compare it. Look at these chubbotes and the big feet. Wow. Wow. That is awesome. Let me show you. This is Jenny's leg. And look how much smaller it is. That's that's funny. It doesn't look like it in the camera when I'm looking at my screen so much, but yeah, there is a difference in the thickness. That's amazing. Okay, let me put Jenny back. And that's who's coming off my table next is Jenny, and then Brooklyn hopefully is right behind her. First she's a little almost halfway done with rooting. Look how shiny these are. I'm gonna have to really clean them well. Get this oil off them. Yes, 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 yes. So like this. And it's like he almost can sit. That's crazy. He looks like he can almost sit. Um, I keep hitting my camera because I'm like, I can hug the stand right here. Let's see. Look at these long arms. Wow, it's not so bent. I don't know if I've even done an arm like that before. Let me get Jenny's arm. Oh no, this is Chase. This is red. This arm's very red. Um, yeah, look at that. I can keep it still. That's kind of funny. Okay. Wow, Chase is red. Whoever gets Chase, he's gonna be red. Um, and I have to fix him. I love this sculpt actually. I didn't really, it wasn't my favorite. I can't say I didn't like it, but I was trying to learn the 3D hair and it just got carried away. And I cannot connect this side. I'm struggling with that because now I'm rooting and I could do it. I know I could do it, but I either have to totally take this off, strip it off, and do it over or root him. And I think I just have so much going on right now and a lot of babies going that I think I'm just going to sell him as a boo-boo. But I do love him. I think he looks amazing. He is a little on the red side though, but yeah. Now I know why people do their babies so red because the camera takes away the color because you can't see how red he is that I'm looking at right now on the screen. That's amazing. Okay, let me get caught up on stuff like this. So we only have one more limb to look at, and it's another straight limb. So he's really whoops. Let's see. We're gonna Tasha. He's here. It's almost like he could reach out and touch someone. What did I do at the other limb? Well, well. Let's see. What did I do with this one? Oh, I put it down here with Chase. And here we go. So, not sure how he's going to be posed. I have not done anything like that, but it's going to be great. He's going to be amazing. He's going to be, or she, excuse me, she is going to be a beautiful girl or boy, whoever wants, when I get done, somebody will pick which way they want him to go. And I'm just super excited about a new kit. Yay! Oh, oh. Did I show you the other one? Um, I'm gonna go ahead and end this because I'm already going on 10 minutes and I like to keep these type of videos short. So if I have something else, I know I do, but I don't know what I did with it. I will show you. Oh, here we go. I got this baby. I got Emery in yesterday, and she's 547 out of 950, and she's just beautiful. I'm not going to go through the kit though, but I have a lot in my collections. If you guys want a custom, I'm sure I probably have it. I have some of the older kits too, if you guys are missing some of those older kits. I bought two artist collections that were getting out of the business or taking a break. And so just let me know. All right, please hit that like button, comment if anything's interesting to you, if you have any questions, and subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you so much. Bye bye now.